The conference, organized by the National Human Rights Commission in partnership with the judiciary, is renewing calls on access to justice in the Gambia, anchored on the theme guaranteeing equal access to justice for all and promoting accountability. The conference is a follow-up to the 2021 seminar where 31 points were recommended by members for effective implementation to ensure affordability and access to justice. Welcoming the participant to 2022 forum, the chairperson of National Human Rights Commission, Emmanuel Daniel Juf, emphasized how access to justice promotes a stable society, democracy, and rule of law.
Access to justice is a fundamental principle of the rule of law and a cornerstone of justice for a stable society. In the absence of access to justice, people are unable to have their voices heard, exercise their rights, challenge discrimination, or hold decision makers accountable. The UN recognizes that access to justice is a vital part of development.
Access to justice is a global phenomenon that requires action by every state to establish a just, fair, and peaceful society.
Without a very independent, efficient, and effective judiciary, certainly the rule of law will be a euphoria. It will be something that will be hard to realize. And access to justice is quite key. It's a multifaceted issue. Is justice timely? Is justice qualitative? Is justice effective? Is it efficient? These are all questions that need to be answered for justice to be said to be accessible and to talk about equal access to justice for all.
Equal access to justice for all. This principle lies at the heart of creating a fair and just society. It ensures that every citizen, in the case every Gambian, from Koina to Banjul, regardless of your standing or status in life, your tribe or religion, has equal opportunity to seek justice and have their rights protected.
Solicitor General Hussein Tomasi opened the conference on behalf of the Attorney General and Minister of Justice, highlighting the giant step taken by the government to create access to justice by establishing courts in every region across the country.
The structures created by the Constitution provide for the establishment of a judicial system, the district tribunals, magistrates' courts, Kadi courts, superior courts, namely the High Court, Kadi Appeals Panel, Court of Appeal, and the Supreme Court, the Alternative Dispute Resolution Secretariat, National Agency for Legal Aid, the National Agency Against Trafficking in Persons, the National Human Rights Commission, just to name a few, are all mechanisms through which people and citizens of the Gambia and non-Gambians are able to access justice.
During the two-day conference, participants will brainstorm on a wide range of issues, including ways to amplify access to justice and the Gambia's obligation under international human rights frameworks, among a host of topics. BAABA, SILLAH, GRTS.